Hey everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caterers. In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between shrimp that are caught in the United States locally from Virginia down through Florida, through the Carolinas and into the Gulf states of Mississippi, Alabama, Louisiana, and Texas. And we do hundreds of these shrimp boils every year for our customers here in the Charleston area, and they ask a lot of times what's the difference between the locally harvested shrimp and the imported shrimp. And I'm going to go ahead and explain that to you in this video. Basically, we have two types of shrimp that we catch, like I said earlier, from North Carolina down through Florida and into Texas. And those are going to be the brown shrimp and the white shrimp. And generally, you're going to catch the brown shrimp here in the summertime, and you'll see they have a brown color to them, and their tail is mostly brown with a little bit of red on the tips. And like I said, that's the brown shrimp, and those are mostly caught in the summertime. And then in the spring and in the early fall, late summer, early fall, and into the winter, you're going to catch the white shrimp, and they are generally a little bit bigger than the brown shrimp, and you'll see they have more of a whitish, kind of a grayish color to them. And you'll also see that they have a little bit of iridescent green on their tail, and that's how you can tell the difference between a locally harvested white shrimp and a brown shrimp. They're both very good. They're both very tender. If you're lucky enough to live on the coast and you can have these shrimp, or if you're visiting on a vacation somewhere where they have these, you definitely want to try these shrimp out. They're delicious, very tender. With the imported shrimp, they're not going to look like these. They're going to look similar, but not quite the same. And the only thing about the imported shrimp that's kind of negative, normally they're good shrimp, but it can be kind of a negative, is you don't really know like what they're fed when they're being raised in the farms at different countries, whether it's in like Southeast Asia or South America, or maybe just don't know what they're being fed. And I've actually seen somebody cook a pound of the imported shrimp that you find like in a bag, and they cooked them and boiled them, and they contain so much iodine that it actually stained the pot they cooked them in, and the pot could not be cleaned of the iodine that was in the shrimp. So you have to be really careful. If you can get these kind of shrimp, of course, you can't get them everywhere. You can really only get them along the coast. But this is the difference between the white and the brown shrimp, and also why you might want to avoid using the imported shrimp if you can. But most of the shrimp are usually pretty good shrimp if you can get them. It's hard to get these shrimp everywhere. So anyways, that's just the difference between the white shrimp and the brown shrimp, and how you can identify them if you go to the seafood market or if you go to the grocery store where they have fresh seafood. That's the difference. And so we hope you enjoyed this video. If you hadn't had a chance to subscribe to our channel yet, please do that now. That'd be great. Or give us a like. We'd appreciate that. And once again, this is Coastal Caterers, and we hope you have a great day. Thank you.